welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go painting, but it's gonna be like a do-it-yourself painting day. So we're gonna go to the store and get all the supplies, and then we're gonna go to the park. Aren't you excited? Micheal Myers. Micheal Myers. Yes, so we're at Michael Myers. Where are we going?
I don't know. Actually,
I don't know where we're going. Oh, look at how cute these little picture frames are.
Let's go.
So we're here for canvases and acrylic paint, and we're gonna see if we can find like a $5 little blanket or something to use since I don't have mine. So look at all of them, so many choices. I want to find, look at them, 6 count. Is it this one? No. Look at all the paint options.
Comment down below what we need.
Comment down below on that. We need acrylic. I'm over here in the blanket fabric area because I can't find my blanket. Thanks, Mom. But I don't know. We gotta choose one. We gotta get a cute one. That's what we gonna do. We got everything. Miss Carter's being a good sport and holding it. Thank you. Gonna go check out.
Hurry up, it's hot. It's hot.
It's not that hot.
It is hot.
It's not that hot. We're going to go get some snacks and stuff, and then we're gonna go to the park and have fun. So we got these, so we can put our paint in it.
We're gonna use the back as reference because it shows like which stencil like does the thingies. The outline it, you could just like follow it. Got my colors ready. You can see it like kind of through the thingy.
Wipe it on the grass. Wipe the paint on the grass.
I guess we use these.
The big ones first.
The big ones they both like at least.
Oh wait, I want to use the skinny one so I can like do my mountains.
Like draw out.
Yeah. Are you sure you want to do it this way instead of this way?
Maybe do it this way.
Yeah.
Got my stencils. We're gonna use the skinny ones, I guess, to outline it, and then the big ones to color it. I don't usually do stencils like that.
Okay, we have a little bottle of water.
Just close the top just in case it tips over. Make it like skin like that.
Okay, we did our outlines. We're gonna fill that in, and then we'll come back and show you.
We got our little mountains done, so I'm about to show you guys. Kind of fixed it. Actually better now.
Yeah, yours looks good.
Yeah, this is it. So now we're gonna start doing we're gonna start doing the little sunset colors. And then we'll get back to you.
No, crazy.
Shut up.
Can I get it out? I gotta take it out. Gotta take that black out. Give me your painting. I'm gonna make my TikTok name.
Anyways, but alright, so we're finished. Wait, on three. On three, we're gonna show it.
Okay, on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
I love them. So cute. The only difference really is that I put red in mine,
Yeah,
and then you put the
deformed stars.
stars. It's super cute though. I love them.
That's how that turned out.
That was our first paintings. We're gonna take some pictures